In order to create a PDF file for your course overview with points, what I do is go to the grade section, and from there I create an Excel file. Enter grades, and I'm going to export. I will want to make sure that all grade items are selected and then export to Excel. And a pop-up will come up so I can click on it to download. Once the Excel file pops up, I'm going to enable editing. And select the first row. Control C to copy. And I will have to create a new sheet, paste, and transpose. This takes it into the vertical column. You can see there's extra words that you do not need. So in order to get rid of them, we'll replace those in a moment, but they all have point values attached to them. So I find it easiest to record in a separate column all of the points, since I haven't found a way of easily doing it except for this. And I'll just go through and make sure that all the points will add up. If you select one of the items, you can highlight and Control C the words that you want to get rid of, and then Control F to find and replace. Go to replace, find what, you'll add Control V to paste what you just copied and replace with nothing. This will just get rid of everything. And then you'll go in and you'll change whatever numeric value you have to change and keep working through it. Now, each item that is in a category will include the category that it's in. So marking period, if you have them in marking periods, it will include those points with marking period 1. So you will have to do that for each marking period for that total point. It does take a bit of time, but it is the easiest and quickest way that I found to do it. When you get done with replacing all of the extra words that you don't need, you'll see that you'll have a list of the grade items that should match exactly how they were in the content and in the grade section. I want all of it to be on just 2 pages so I can make a PDF that's pretty streamlined. So I will copy and paste and put them in columns next to each other, so marking period 1 and 2 will be on the same page, and then I will do the same thing for marking period 3 and 4. I will want to adjust the page layout, so if I go to Page Layout tab, make sure the orientation is landscape, the margins probably narrow or adjust them however you want. The width I will want 1 page and the height just 2 pages. And if you go to the print preview, I only have certain things. So I want to clear my print area. And then show my print preview, and you'll see basically how it's going to be saved. And you can just double check that everything's on the pages the way that you want them. If you want to change the format, you can go back and do that. But there are 2 ways that you can save to a PDF from the printer drop down, Microsoft Print to PDF. You can do that there and it'll create a PDF. Or you can go to Save As, change the file type to PDF, just type in P and it'll highlight it for you, and save. So preview it and make sure it's exactly how you want. And in one of these areas that I have more space, I'll add a description of how to calculate your marking period, your semester grades, your final grades, things like that. I hope this helps.